Lesson 13, writing linear equations and point-slope form. So we talked about slope-intercept. I'll write it very quickly up here. Y equals mx plus b. And I said that's universally used for data analysis, for finance, for engineering. I used it to figure out how to curve a test once. But there's another couple ways. We also did standard form. And now we do point slope. And this is point slope. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Well, these are the variables. So they stay as y and x. This is the slope, of course. And these are numbers. I'm not sure what else to call them. Constants, I suppose, would be another word. So when you write the equation, they'll be numbers. So why should we know this? Sometimes it's easier. It's really the definition of slope if you look at it. And if you don't understand that, just, solve for m here. So it's, pretty easy to remember. If you remember slope, then you've got point slope. So here's how it works. Let's find an equation of a line that's parallel to this one. I strongly suggest you pause the recording and do this yourself. I'll do it now. Since it's parallel, parallel slope is 3. And then we call this x1 and y1. We go y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 1. That's done. And you can change it into slope-intercept if you want, but I mean that's done. And if you want to keep going, okay. Y minus 2 equals 3x minus 3, and then plus 2 and plus 2. Y equals 3x minus 1. Oh, now I can graph it. It's negative 1. It's up 3. Missed. So now I can graph it, but I mean, this is done. There's, that's the equation of a line. Nobody said I had to put it in slope-intercept in this case. So, pretty much done. So now we try it again. Perpendicular to this line. So m perpendicular equals negative 1/3, and we flip it. And again, it only takes a second. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/3. X minus 1, I'm done. Want me to keep going? I can. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/3. X plus 1/3 plus 2 plus 2. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 7/3. Okay, fine, that's right too, but you really didn't need to do that. I didn't ask you to. I just said, find an equation. This is an equation. Well, we can graph it just to see if it makes sense. 1, 2, 3, hits about here. Down 1 over 3, about here. So, whatever. Does it go through 1, 2? Yeah, it looks like it. Is it perpendicular 3x minus 7? Minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 3 over 1. Yeah, looks like it's perpendicular. All of that's window dressing. If this is the problem you're asked, that's the problem you answer. So that's it. Point slope at 100 miles an hour. Good luck.